Good day, everyone. I'm Sir Francis, your technology and livelihood education teacher in information and communications technology. Are you ready to learn virtually together? Tara, let's explore vocational and lifelong lessons in the new normal this week one of the first quarter. Welcome to CSS 10. To begin, our most essential learning competency is to plan unit assembly to ensure OHS policies and procedures are followed in accordance with system requirements. In this episode, you will learn to identify, categorize, and value the importance of the different types of computer across the world. Tara, let's explore our topic by unlocking some ICT terminologies that we will encounter in this lesson. Let's play a game by identifying the words based on the given pictures. You have 5 seconds to identify the terminology. If your answer is analog, very good, you are correct. Analog is represented by continuously variable physical quantities. How about the second word? You have 5 seconds to try and identify the term. If your answer is digital, very good, you are correct. Digital computer operates on digital data such as numbers. It uses binary number system in which there are only two digits, 0 and 1. How about the third terminology? Can you identify the word based on the 4 pictures given? I'll give you another 5 seconds to identify the terminology. If your answer is hybrid, good job, you are correct. Hybrid devices has two different types of components performing essentially the same function. Tara, let's examine the given computer devices. Which one is an analog device? Is it the wall clock or the digital clock? If your answer is the analog clock, then you are correct. Analog devices continuously change over time, while digital has defined levels like minute by minute or second by second. How about this one? Which one is a digital device? Is it the telephone or the cell phone? If your answer is the cell phone, then you are correct. The analog version of a telephone is a landline. The sound of our voices are carried through a landline cable to the individual you are speaking to, while cell phones work by converting our voice to discrete digital signals that are sent to the receiving cell phone. Which type of computer is this? Is it an analog? Is it digital? Or is it a hybrid? If your answer is hybrid, then you are correct. This device is a combination of analog and digital. It is an analog because of the buttons or keys on the keyboard, and it can perform digital procedures when it is detached and turned into a tablet, meaning it can perform the functions of an analog and digital computer. To proceed, tara, let's engage with our lesson for today. There are 3 types of computer based on principles of operation. First is analog, the other one is digital, and the third one is hybrid. The other type of computer is based in terms of configuration. The first type is supercomputer. This type performs intensive tasks in various fields, including quantum mechanics, weather forecasting, climate research, oil and gas exploration, and molecular modeling. What country do you think has the fastest supercomputer? If your answer is Japan, then you are correct. Did you know in June 2020, Japanese supercomputer Fugaku zipped past all competitors to claim the top spot in the twice annual ranking of the world's most powerful computational machines. Fugaku records the highest floating point operations per second in computational performance, meaning it can do 442,010 mathematical operations per second. The next type of computer is the mainframe computer. It is also called the big iron. It is a very large in size and is an expensive computer capable of supporting hundreds or even thousands of users simultaneously, and can execute many programs concurrently and supports many simultaneous executions of programs. What is the use of mainframe computer? For electronic business, it is very important to keep track of business transactions and exchanging electronic money across the internet. Banks must also track ATM deposits, withdrawals, credit card transactions, mobile pay, and online account updates. For medicine or healthcare, it is very efficient to help physicians quickly access patient information and laboratory results for fast treatment of patients. The next type of computer is a server computer. It provides services to another computer program and its user, also known as the client. It is powerful than normal computers. Why do people need a server computer? Imagine yourself using a computer in the Philippines and you wanted to access a website called www.facebook.com, which is, for example, located at California, USA. The computer in California acts as a server and your computer acts as the client. Meaning, we need server computers to gain access on websites, emails, videos, games, and other information across the internet coming from a different location. Here is a trivia. Did you know? Based on the article by datacenterknowledge.com, Google uses about 900,000 servers in this year. The next type of computer is the mini computer. It is a multi-user computer system capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. It is also known as the mid-range computer. This computer lies between a mainframe and microcomputers in terms of efficiency, speed, cost, and memory. It is used for small database servers and small web servers. The last type of computer in terms of configuration is the microcomputer. It is a single-user computer system having moderately powerful microprocessor. This computer is cheaper compared to other types of computers and is intended for personal use. Here are some examples of microcomputer. We have the desktop, we have a laptop, tablet, and smartphone. Which microcomputer do you use? Can you identify the type of device you are using right now? Share your answer by typing it in on the comment section in our Facebook live stream. And that ends our today's episode. I hope you learned a lot. Always remember, at TLE, we keep on going beyond the traditional. I'm Sir Francis, signing off.